Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money taking pictures with your phone, guys. It's going to be an easy way for you to make some extra cash. So hopefully you could save that extra cash and invest it in yourself to learn some high income online skills so you can make some real money online, guys. Okay, so let's get started right now. So here is the first site I want to show you. It's at FOAP.com, FOAP.com. And this is a company, basically a website where brands and companies can come to get marketing content created for their brands to market online. So because they're a company that helps brands create visual content for marketing, they need images and videos from people like you and me. So what you will do is for creators, you go sell your content, and then you'll get to this site here where you can sell the photos that you have that are on your phone. And this is for both Apple's iOS phones and for Android devices. So it's for everybody. So how does it work? You simply upload your videos and photos and earn money. When a brand, agency, or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or picture from your online portfolio, we share the profit with you 50-50. Take part in creative video and photo missions for brands and win hundreds of dollars for just one video or picture. Submitting a video or picture to one of our missions is an easy way to make your hobby even more profitable. Simply follow the mission brief and upload one or multiple videos or pictures that reflect what kind of imagery the brand is after. And so they're saying, why wait? Well, it's a great way to turn your videos and pictures into dollars you can spend on buying better equipment and becoming a even better video and photographer. And there's tons of creators in here already, 2.9 million. So there is a lot of money to be made here. So I'm going to go over to the missions to give you a look. So they have themes. So basically, if the brand wants to go to this company to get a marketing campaign kind of created for them, then they will come and do a mission. So after folk takes in the information that the brand wants, they will create a mission for us to kind of work with that brand's objectives and then try to give the brand or the mission what videos and pictures that they're looking for. Okay, so look at these contests. So this one's called color balance. Okay, for example, there's only 31 videos uploaded and there's 8 days left, and the reward is $300, guys. Okay, so you're gonna be making some decent money if you could win one of these missions. And this one's about shapes, rectangle. Okay, and then you basically will read about the mission, exactly what they're looking for, and then that's what you're trying to upload for them. So here you got over 3,000 photos already, and there's only 3 days left, and this 600 reward. And this one has already 1,400 photos uploaded, and there's $900 for that mission, guys. This one is very well received and rated on iTunes. As you can see here, it's 4.5 with almost 9,000 people rating it, so that's a pretty good score. But let's see, this is for Google Play for Android devices. People here don't like it as much, but it has a lot more people using it or reviewing it. So this is just under 4 stars, so 3.8. But they are responsive about talking to people, responding back to people. So there's been over 1 million installs, guys, and they're up to date. Here, the next one is called DreamsTime.com. And here is basically a stock photography website where people could come and buy images for as low as 20 cents per download. And so as a creator, as somebody who has a cell phone that can take pictures, so you can come to the bottom here where it says, are you a creative artist? Sell your content to the largest stock community in the world and receive up to 60% revenue share. So here it is, the page where it is all about how to sell your content. So this is one of the largest, I don't know if it's world's largest stock photo marketplace, but it is a large one. And they're saying that you'll get 60% revenue share from all your sales if you are exclusive. Okay, so if you're exclusively uploading to DreamsTime, then you get the 60% revenue share. But if you're not exclusive to DreamsTime, then you will earn between 25 and 50%. So that's one way for you to earn over here. So if you don't limit your license, you could even earn easier. You could earn up to $12 for royalty-free and more for extended licenses. So you can earn different ways here, okay? And then you have an app that you can always have on the go with, and that's it for this one. On the Android Google Play, they are rated 4 stars with almost 8,000 people using it. For iOS on the iTunes store, the DreamsTime is rated high, but there are very little users on here. Only 200 something people reviewed. So it's good reviews, but it's not a lot of people using it, that's all. So another website, the third website I want to show you guys is at EyeEM.com. EyeEM.com. And then this is another platform where you can get photos and videos for anybody could come on here to buy images or videos for whatever purpose they need it for. So this is another place where you can buy and sell your images and videos. So you just gotta click on for photographers and you'll get to this page. Your creativity is empowered here. Break new ground and be part of the world's most inspiring creative community. And this is for everybody as well. It's on the App Store and the iTunes App Store and the Google Play Store. The community has like 20 million creators there, so you can definitely join in the community and then see what people are uploading up there. And you don't start improving, so you can learn a lot from other photographers as well. And then you can join missions. There's missions here as well where you can join and do specific photos because they probably have certain needs for certain people that are requesting certain images. And look at this. You could sell your images for like $20, $2.50 for full license, web license $50. So you can decide what kind of license people can use your photos for and decide based on that how much you're going to charge. So get rewarded for your creativity. You'll always keep control of your copyright and be able to choose which photos you submit for selling. It's simple as that. Save time by batch uploading via your desktop, allowing your web uploader to automatically keyword your images and put them up for sale. So you're going to make 50% every time you sell. A photo can sell again and again to multiple clients. You'll earn money every time. You always choose what the copyright that you want for your photos, and you can sell with Getty and more. So they partner up with world's leading photo agencies to get your work seen by more buyers. So Getty is a huge stock photography site, and they will probably buy it from here as well. So they work with them. So that's great. So this is definitely an option for you guys, another place for you guys to upload your photos. And let's check out the ratings. Wow, this one is going to be the highest rating for all the three that I've shown you today. So this is the Google Play with over 200,000 people reviewing at just about 4.0 star, 4.3 star. That is very good. With over 10 million installs, guys, okay? So this is a very popular app, this EyeEM. And on the iTunes store, it is very popular as well, or highly rated anyway. It's 4.8. and only 2.2 thousand people have rated this one, but it's highly rated, 4.8, man. So, but you can see that it is highly rated, the people that have used it, even more so than the Google Play people. But then there's a lot more people using it on the Android phones. So those are your three options, guys. EyeEM.com, you got DreamsTime.com and FOAP.com. So guys, if you love photography, this is definitely one way or several ways for you to make some money with your images on your phone, and it's a great way to make some decent money. As you can see, you can sell them for like 20 bucks a pop or 250 a pop, but then you only get 50% of those sales. So make sure that you are pricing them, you know, the way that you want to earn, but also it can't be too expensive or else nobody would buy them. So, but what you can do is I want you to save that money when you guys have sold some images and invest in a program like the one in the video description, so you can make even bigger money with your images and your love for photography. Okay, the program in the video description actually teaches you how to make a full-time online income from your hobby or love. So photography is definitely one way for you to make even bigger money with this program in the video description, guys. Okay, and also I'll be on that platform to help you personally, so you will not be alone or don't know what to do on that platform, because I'm gonna be right there to help you as well. But that platform has really step-by-step training for you guys to learn how to build your passion into a full-time online income, guys. Okay, so check it out and in the video description below. And I hope you liked this video today, guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys, and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Alright, guys, I hope you make money online soon, so I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.